Dear friends from different magazines and online portals. And thank you so much, Cornerstone Entertainment family.
Thank you so much. Of course, Republic Records Philippines again, maraming salamat. And of course, ang overall producer ng aming EP, Kuya Riza Chabelin. And of course, si Kuya Gab, who isn't here with us tonight. But Kuya, thank you so much. And of course, Mickey Mazo, thank you so much sa Atmosphere family namin na laging nandito para kami ay suportahan. Mickey Mazo again, AJ, thank you so much, AJ Lozano, and of course, Lynn Arlo, lagi, maraming salamat. And last but definitely not the least, our dear 143. Maraming salamat. As in, sobrang thank you. Alam namin, traffic tonight. At mainit ang Pilipinas, pero may pasok. At you guys decided to be here. Sa mga new faces na nakita namin dito, welcome to our family. Maraming salamat po for coming here. Sana nag-enjoy kayo tonight. At
of course, let's not forget to thank Freebie Manila Concert.
Maraming freebies.
Yes. One Music PH, Rack Magazine, Rappler, Soundcheck Manila, Empire, of course Fanverse, Push.com, Wonder, MBC Family, Love Radio, and Yes FM, of course Miss Belisa.
Ayan. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, short story lang guys, MBC is very dear to our hearts. Kasi sila ang nagsilang talaga ng ating EP, ating first single for this EP, which we'll be performing in a bit. Maraming salamat, Love Radio, Yes FM for welcoming us. Diba talagang kinumpleto natin ang Yes.
May na lang.
May radio, malapit na siguro na para kumpletuhin natin. Yes, My Love. Maraming salamat at stay tuned because malapit na ang Aliwan. Diba? Pagbubukas muli ng Aliwan soon. So always stay tuned sa ating June 27, Aliwan guys, yan sa Aliwan Theater Grounds. Ayan guys, magsama-sama tayo at maraming mga special guests dyan. Of course, Yes My Love will be there.
June 27 minus 5, G22!
Yay!
Sharawan guys!